There's always room for more festive 4th of July decor, and why not make it yourself? Amy Latta is back for another Getting Crafty segment. This time, she'll show us how to create a fabric pinwheel and a patriotic bead garland. So, Amy, we had round one a little bit ago. Welcome back. Let's start with the fabric pinwheel this time. What do we need to create this one?
So this one is another really fun option that you can create using fabric, and you don't have to know how to sew. So I'm keeping it really simple so everybody can create these crafts. And we don't have too much time between now and the 4th. So all you're going to need is two different colors or patterns of fabric, and you're going to want a 7-inch square of each one. You're also going to need double-sided fusible interfacing, like heat and bond, something like that, which you can get at craft stores or in the craft section at Walmart. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take that interfacing and cut it just a little bit smaller than 7 inches. And you're going to follow the directions to iron it onto the wrong side of one of your squares and put the other square on top. So what happens is you get this double-sided square of fabric. Then you're going to trim that down so you have a 6.5-inch square, and the interfacing is going to keep the fabric from fraying. So the edges are going to look nice and sharp. Then we're going to cut that square of fabric. So you're going to make an X through the whole square, and you're connecting one corner to the opposite one. Then you're going to make a little mark 1/2 inch out from the center, and you're going to cut so that you have these 4 little triangles. And then once you do that, you're just going to fold them in. So you're taking one of each of the triangles and you're just going to fold them in like this, and you'll see how it turns it into that pinwheel shape. So it's really, really simple to do. And you're just going to use hot glue in the center to hold that in place. And then you'll put a button on top to cover your glue and glue a wooden dowel on the back. So again, instead of sewing, we're just gluing everything, making it really simple. Now, if the fabric part is intimidating, or if you don't have fabric, you can also do this with double-sided scrapbook paper. You just skip to the part where you cut and fold, and it's really simple to do it that way as well.
And again, keep those around the house, makes things look festive. And to your point, you get one of those packages of the dowels, and you're set to go for a lot of these crafts you're showing us today.